What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add projects preview from WooCommerce into pages or posts using Elementor WordPress page builder plugin, all for free. Let's imagine that you already have made some fancy homepage layout like this one from Visual Mentor WordPress theme by us, Visual Model, and you would like to share a preview, some projects from your shop. Starting at the point that you already have the WooCommerce plugin installed and active and your store made, you're just gonna need to install a free add-on, one of the best Elementor add-ons that you can have for free, the essential add-ons. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial where I do explain how to install and activate this plugin for free. But after this plugin activation, all you need to do is go to your page that you would like to be editing to add this new WooCommerce projects posts grid. In my case, it's gonna be the home page, the page set to be the front page of my site. And I'm gonna click on WP dashboard page, find out the page or create a new one using the add new. Click on edit with Elementor, this blue button in the middle of the page editor, so we can load the Elementor page builder front end editor. Now, once I want to add the projects preview in the end of the page, I'm gonna scroll down, click on the plus button, and in the search, the left sidebar of elements, I'm gonna type who. And here you can find the project grid. You can see a couple of more WooCommerce elements, but for this guide, I'm gonna just be using the project grid. Feel free to try out the others, but with this one, you already have your preview of some of your projects directly on your homepage. And if some client clicks on it, it's gonna be directed to the single product page. You can apply some titles to this homepage section. I'm gonna type, for example, WooCommerce or something else. I'm gonna click on the Advanced tab so I can apply some padding to the bottom to separate the title of the section to the projects grid. And we are good to go. Now you can play with some layouts of the projects, for example, change the amount of projects, the columns, the offset, call custom styles, call only projects from some categories, the order of the projects that you're gonna be showing, the style, and of course you can create other styles in the case that you want. I'm just gonna be using the default ones to make things easier, but once again, you are free to use your imagination and play around. And it is, feel free to click on the project section and drag it and drop in other places of your page or apply these into some column layout. Once you already have this on your page, you can create other layouts in the case that you want. And it is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility to Elementor and many other plugins. And I see you later. All the best!